In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and today I would like to show you how you can connect using Bluetooth. If you want to know exactly how to pair your SONY with headphones, speakers or any other device that supports Bluetooth, here's how to do it. First, open Settings. Second, tap on Device Connection. And third, hit Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show. When they do, tap on the one you wish to connect to. Now, quick tip: if you are connecting to a speaker or headphones, anything like that, you need to tap on your device, select Pair, and just wait. It will accept your connection request automatically. If you want to connect to a tablet or another smartphone, also a smartwatch, after tapping on it, click on this switcher next to Also allow access to contacts and call history to enable or disable this feature, and then hit Pair. Now wait for the other device to accept your connection request manually by tapping on Pair on the second screen. As you can see, now my headphones and my other phone were successfully connected. To manage connection, click on your icon next to any saved device. Click Disconnect, or if you want to disconnect and forget it, tap on Forget. And whatever you decided, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!